Hi, and welcome to A Parent's Guide to Understanding MAP Parent Reports. This is an OCPS Title I parent resource. My name is Rebecca Wilkes. I'm the Title I teacher, and I'm here today to help explain MAP Parent Reports. So first of all, let's talk about what is MAP. MAP is formally known as the Measures of Academic Achievement Assessment, which is a norm-referenced, web-based, adaptive Oconee County District-wide assessment. What does adaptive mean? Well, as the student answers questions correctly, the questions get harder. If the student answers incorrectly, the questions get easier. By the end of the test, students will have answered enough questions to inform a teacher about what they know and what they're ready to learn. The MAP test assesses up to 3 content areas based on the grade level for primary age students. Kindergartners take reading and math MAP tests. First graders take reading and math MAP tests, and second graders take reading, math, and English language arts tests. When is the MAP given? MAP tests are administered 3 times a year: fall during the month of August, the winter during the month of December, and in the spring during the month of April. So why MAP? Why do we use this MAP assessment? Well, MAP is a norm reference assessment. It shows a comparison of student performance to similarly leveled peers that provides educators RIT scale norms, which are especially useful in guiding individualized instruction, student goal setting, achievement pattern understanding, and the evaluation of student performance. So RIT, what does that mean? Well, a RIT score unit is directly related to a curriculum content scale in each subject area. So why do you need to know about the RIT score? Well, let's look at this MAP parent report and talk about what parents need to know about RIT scores. As you can see, this is a MAP parent report from a student who has had the MAP assessment given to him or her since kindergarten up through 2nd grade. You'll notice that in kindergarten and 1st grade, the student had math and reading. In fall and winter for kindergarten, right here, you'll see this: kindergarten, fall, winter, and spring, and also in 1st grade, fall, winter, and spring. And now the student is in 2nd grade, and the student has had the MAP test in fall and winter. Down here, you'll notice that there's a language usage area, so if your student's in kindergarten or 1st grade, you won't notice this on your parent report. So this is the breakdown of a parent report. So let's look here at our graph. So you'll see the blue column here is your child's RIT score, and it's compared to the average RIT score for an Oconee County student in the same grade level completed in the same term. And you'll see that this one right here, this is the orange score, the orange bar. The yellow bar indicates an average RIT score of students across the nation in the same grade level completed in the same term. And this one's in yellow. And you'll notice over here, this blue dotted column is a projected RIT score. When students take a future test, this is what the MAP predicts as their anticipated growth. You'll see down here at the bottom, you'll notice the terms in which the test was given or taken. We'll move on to the next section. This is additionally another part of the parent report, and you'll notice here are the terms for the testing. You'll notice that there's fall, winter, and spring. And then there are grade levels that indicate what grade level your child was in when the test was given. Here you'll notice 3 numbers. The bold number is the RIT score of your child, and the numbers on either side define the range that the student score would fall in if taken additional times. You'll see here, this is RIT growth. And this means the growth made between tests, fall to winter, winter to spring, And fall testing provides a baseline to measure future growth. Over here, you'll notice growth projection. This is the same as the dotted blue bar before that we talked about on the other screen. You'll see it right here. Let's go back. You'll notice that the growth projection for this student is 19. And over here, you'll see that this indicates the percentile range. The bold number tells you the percentile that your student ranks. The bold number is the student's percentile rank or the percentage of the students that had a less than or equal to your student's score. So, parent reports. What can or should parents do with this information? Parents that have concerns should talk to their child's teacher and consider asking questions like, is my child meeting grade level expectations in reading and math? Ask to see your child's work for better understanding. Another question you might want to ask is, how is my child performing compared to similar peers? Or, what does my child need to be able to do in order to meet math and reading expectations? Ask for examples. Or, how can I help my child at home? Additionally, parents can use past RIT scores to determine growth that has been made since the last testing term. Parents can gauge how their child is performing compared to peers within the school district and also the normed population across the nation based on their RIT score or percentile ranking. Parents that aren't sure about how to interpret their child's MAP report should ask their child's teacher for assistance. Remember, teachers want parents to ask questions. Also, please feel free to contact me, Rebecca Wilkes, the OCPS Title I teacher, with other questions about MAP or your child's progress. Below, you'll notice that I've given a number and an extension. You can leave a voicemail if I don't answer, or you can contact me through email. Please take the time to complete and return the survey that was attached to this presentation link. Send it to your child's homeroom teacher and they will hand it to me. I always like feedback to know if this presentation is helpful and what other types of information parents would like to have. I appreciate your time. I hope that this was useful. Thank you so much.